not just a snack. The hidden power of seaweed. Did you know this crispy seaweed is a powerful superfood? Let me tell you why you should start eating seaweed today. Supports thyroid health packed with iodine for hormone balance. Boosts gut health high in fiber. Great for digestion. Rich in antioxidants, fights aging and protects your cells. Good for your heart, helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Perfect for weight loss, low calorie. High in nutrients. Strengthens bones, loaded with calcium and magnesium. Enhances brain function, contains essential omega-3s. So, how do you eat it? Wrap it around rice, crumble it on salads, or just snack on it. Try adding seaweed to your meals and enjoy its amazing health benefits. Want to learn more? Subscribe to Madison Insights and hit like for more health and nutrition tips.